Hello, sir. How can I help you?
Hi, can I get some water, please?
Sure. Would you like ice-cold water or room temperature?
Ice cold, please.
Here's your water.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you want anything else?
Yes, do you have juice?
We have apple juice, orange juice, and cranberry juice.
I'll have orange juice, please.
Sure, here you go.
Thanks again.
No problem. Press the button if you need anything.
Okay, thank you. You're very kind.
Enjoy your flight, sir.
I will. Have a nice day.
Hello, welcome on board.
Hi, this is my first flight.
Don't worry, I can assist you. Can I see your boarding pass?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Your seat is 12B, next to the aisle on the right side.
I'm not sure where that is.
No problem, follow me. Here it is, seat 12B.
Thank you. Can I place my bag here?
Not under the seat. Let me put it in the overhead compartment.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Please fasten your seatbelt like this.
Okay. Is it tight enough?
Yes, perfect. Very good.
What time do we land?
We'll arrive in New York at 6 p.m.
Will there be food served?
Yes, we will serve a meal and drink shortly.
Great, I'm a little nervous.
It's okay. Just relax. Hey, be careful.
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't see you.
You must look before crossing the street.
Yes, I understand. I'll be more careful.
And take off your headphones while walking.
Yes, I will next time.
You didn't hear my car. That is dangerous.
I didn't hear anything, I was checking my phone.
This is not safe, you must be careful.
I know. Thank you for stopping.
Next time, look and listen carefully.
I won't use my phone while walking.
Good. I'm glad you're okay.
Thank you. I will be careful.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Are you going to Dubai?
Yes, I am. What about you?
Yes, me too. It's my first visit.
Oh, that's exciting. I hope I like it.
You will love it. It's a modern and clean city.
I've heard a lot about it.
Are you from Dubai?
No, but I live there now. I work there.
That's nice. What do you do?
I'm a receptionist at a hotel.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, I meet people from many countries.
How long will you stay?
1 week for vacation.
What are your plans?
I want to see Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Mall.
Good choice. You should also visit the beach and fountain show.
I saw videos, it looks amazing.
Don't forget sunscreen, it's hot.
I brought light clothes.
Excuse me, where can I find a taxi?
Right outside, sir. Follow the taxi signs.
Thank you.
Hello, welcome to Dubai. Where to?
I want to go to Sunrise Marina Hotel.
Sure, do you have the address?
Yes, here it is on my phone.
Perfect. That's about 25 minutes from here.
How much will it cost?
Around 80 dirhams depending on traffic.
That's fine. Is this your first time in Dubai?
Yes, I'm here for vacation.
The city is beautiful. You'll enjoy it.
Yes, I want to see Burj Khalifa and the beach.
If you like shopping, visit Dubai Mall too.
Yes, I will. Thank you.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please. Thank you.
No problem, we'll reach your hotel soon.
The city looks beautiful, especially at night.
Hello, I'm here to check in.
Welcome. May I see your reservation?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Your room is 504 on the 5th floor.
Can I have a room with a view?
Sure, this room faces the city skyline.
Perfect. Can I leave my luggage here?
Of course, we'll send it to your room.
Thank you. Is breakfast included?
Yes, from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in the restaurant.
Great. Where is the restaurant?
On the 2nd floor, near the elevators.
Can I get a map of the city?
Sure, here's a free city map for you.
Thanks. Is Wi-Fi available?
Yes, free Wi-Fi in all rooms and public areas.
Wonderful, I'll need it for work.
No problem, enjoy your stay.
Hi, can I order lunch, please?
Of course. Would you like a salad or sandwich?
I'll have a turkey sandwich.
Would you like it with chips or fries?
Chips, please. Can I have a drink?
Sure, we have soda, juice, and water.
I'll take iced tea.
Perfect. Your order will be ready in 10 minutes.
Thank you. Can I pay by card?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards.
Great, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
Can I have extra napkins, please?
Sure, here you go.
Everything looks good, thank you.
I'm glad. Let me know if you need anything else.
Will you deliver to the room?
Yes, just call and we'll bring it right away.
Excuse me, where's the clothing store?
On the 1st floor, next to the food court.
Thank you. Do you have men's jackets?
Yes, they're in the back section of the store.
Can I try this one on?
Sure, the fitting rooms are over there.
How much is this jacket?
It's $75, with tax included.
Okay, I'll take it.
Would you like a bag for it?
Yes, please. Do you accept cards?
Yes, all major cards are accepted.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy shopping.
Do you have a sales section?
Yes, on the right side near the entrance.
Perfect, I'll check it out.
Let me know if you need assistance.
Hi, can I get a coffee?
Sure. Would you like latte, cappuccino, or black?
Latte, please. Can I have almond milk?
Of course. Any sugar?
Just 1 spoon, thank you.
Here's your latte. Do you want a pastry?
Yes, chocolate croissant.
Great choice. That's $7.50.
Can I pay with card?
Yes, swipe your card here.
Thank you. Can I sit outside?
Yes, there are tables on the patio.
Perfect. Is there free Wi-Fi here?
Yes, just connect to Café_Wi-Fi.
Wonderful, I'll need it for work.
Enjoy your coffee and pastry.
Thanks, you're very kind.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Hi, I need a taxi to the airport.
Sure, where are you flying to?
Los Angeles, please.
No problem. Please get in.
How long will it take?
Around 40 minutes, depending on traffic.
How much will it cost?
About $60.
That's fine. Can I pay with card?
Sorry, only cash.
No problem. Here's $70. Keep the change.
Thank you very much.
Can you take the fastest route?
Of course. We'll avoid heavy traffic.
Thank you. It's been a wonderful trip.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Have a safe flight.
I will. Thanks again.
Goodbye and take care.